Today we will talk about resources uses in Android application. Android applications consist of resources. Whenever you create Android application, you need resources. When I say resources like images, icon, audio, video, strings for multiple language, dimensions for layout, buttons, edit text, etc. So when you create Android app, you need to save your resources for Android application. And here res folder, the res folder plays a very important role. If you look carefully in res folder, you will find various resources directory like drawable, layout, values, MIP, MAP. In this directory we save resources. For example, if you for images, okay, we use drawable. For layout, we use layout folder. For values like strings, arrays, dimensions, color, we use values folder. So we use this folder to save resources. But in Android, this res folder is converted into r.java. How? That is an auto-generated file. This r.java is an auto-generated file. How it is created? It is generated, actually it is auto-generated resource Java file by AAPT, that is Android Asset Packaging Tool. So you make a drag and drop, you use the original format. For example, if you want to use an image in your application, you copy the image and paste it inside a drawable folder, and this AAPT tool convert this drawable folder into inner class inside r.java. Okay, and for example, button, you want to perform an event on a click of a button, and we know the button is recognized by an ID. So this ID is also converted into inner class inside r.java. Whatever you are going to make a copy paste, where if you are going to create a new layout file, and that is an XML, if you are going to create a new values, or if you are going to use new icon inside MIP, MAP, everything is going to convert it into r.java by AAPT, that is Android Asset Packaging Tool. So you don't need to care about for this kind of conversion. Why? Because we know that Android use Java, and Java use bytecode. So if you want to use this all kind of resources, everything should be converted into bytecode. So that's why the AAPT will convert this into r.java. Now I will give you a complete overview by programming, where you can find this r.java and how you can analyze, means what are the folders, those are converted into inner classes, and what are the integers resources, means of a reference address that you can find inside r.java. So be with me and let me talk about it.